UFOs are destroying my city. Okay, maybe not literally, but at least they're in this beautiful artwork. Just look at this. A UFO flying thing crashing into one of the things here. And I'm just standing in front of it and smiling and looking into the bright future, having no idea what's happening behind me. We also have here this really nice purple and orange colors. If you like more realistic colors, there's also another version. With that said, let's get into the art process. I used pixelsquid to import 3D object of flying UFO. You can find the image in the description link. Then I had to rotate it and place it correctly. My next step was to remove the statue because I had to rotate it as well so that it looks like UFO is crashing into it. Make sure to save this artwork because sometimes your Photoshop crashes and then you realize that you didn't save your artwork and then you want to kill yourself because you have to do everything again, and that's how millions of Photoshoppers die every year. Okay, calm down for it, calm down. It's all good. I had to make my selection perfecto and then start cutting out a hole in our UFO object. For the insides of it, I just copied the UFO, made it darker, started adding some shadows, and then added beautiful lines which I made purple and added some glow to them. I also had to add shadows that come from UFO down to our beautiful Earth that we all love and adore. Oh well, hello there. Who are you? Whose sexy face is that? Oh wait, it's me. Guys, stop complimenting me. So now I want to add the shutter effect that show broken pieces of UFO flying around. Do you know how I will do that? You probably don't. I will show you that after the break. Before we continue, I want to ask you, do you struggle with monetizing your skills, getting better, getting more clients, or getting more followers on Instagram for your art? If the answer is yes, then I have a gift for you. So if you go to my website learnfromfred.com and then you go to Mentorship and you scroll down, here you can get a call with me completely for free. All you need to do, just write your email, what do you need help with, and click send, and I will reply to you within a day. But what can I help you with? I can help you to define your strategy to grow your Instagram. I can help you to find ways to monetize your skills, improve your skills, or find clients. We will have a one-on-one call where I will answer any of the questions that you have. Psst. So I duplicated the UFO, chose a Hautic brush, and maximized its random settings. Made the UFO object invisible by changing its mask to black, and started drawing on the mask with this Hautic brush by revealing the hidden UFO object piece by piece. Later I decided to draw with white brush in the center of UFO to make it brighter and also made it blurry. I wanted to add some orange-red colors to the image because it's a happy day, we finally get to meet aliens, we're going to be friends unless they kill us. And previously I made artworks where aliens try to eat me, so I have no idea why I suddenly started thinking that they want to be friends with me. By the way, I have a tutorial for this one and I'll put the link in the description in case you want to see it. After that I went through hours, if not years, if not centuries of color grading. I couldn't decide which colors I want to pick. And voila! A boom! Chicka boom! Look at this magic. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If not, I will crash your Photoshop. Okay, I won't, but make sure to subscribe and also leave a like and tell about this video everyone that you know, just when you walk on the street you see someone, just go and tell them, hey, have you seen this video? I'm kidding, don't do that. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.